Willkommen zurück zu The Wolf Among Us. Der Spiegel ist repariert, liebe Leute. Vielleicht finden wir jetzt endlich mehr raus.
I have to say I have been better. But thanks
For
for putting me
back together.
I'm sorry. I have to know. Mirror, mirror, we're glad you weren't slain. Now please show us that sick creep.
Ich will es auch wissen.
Yeah, I want to see where he's ended up too.
Vielleicht hilft uns das auch gerade weiter.
You
Wahrscheinlich
will get on that
angekettet.
plane to Paris, and you will wait
Oh.
for the day the crooked man needs you. Until then, not a peep. Otherwise, I get to deal with you my way. So please, please disobey.
Oh man.
Wait a minute. Someone's watching.
Oh nein.
What just happened?
We
Oh
pointed you in the
no.
wrong direction. You looked at Bloody Mary's reflection.
Oh, her. That
Ah, sie ist ja auch so
explains
ein
the sting.
Spiegelgeist.
I'd rather not have to feel the pain she brings.
So ein Spiegelwesen.
So, let's not do that again, okay?
Ja, ist gut.
Looks like we'll have to track him down later.
You're right. We need to focus on the immediate threat.
Den
and
sehen wir
that's the
eh
crooked
nicht.
man. Bigby, we don't have a lot of time.
Mirror, mirror, no time to pout. So, where does Crooked Man hang out?
Aha.
I
Okay.
don't recognize the door, but that's the Crooked Man symbol.
Und die wechseln ja immer. Und weg ist's. Und da ist es. Okay.
Door. It moves.
Mhm.
Yeah, Jersey mentioned that.
Oh
Wait a
god.
minute. I know that door.
That's Central Park. I don't
Okay.
know when it's gonna move again, but I'm gonna get there before it does.
Fast, fast,
Bigby,
fast.
wait.
Was?
When you get the crooked man, make sure you bring him back alive. He has to stand trial. We can't just dispense street justice. I know that emotions can run high, and you have your reasons to handle this a certain way. But we have to make a commitment to working within the law.
Ja.
Catch him and bring him back here, alive. And we can clean him and cook him together.
Good. I have enough to worry about here while I prepare the case
Der hat
against
hure
him.
viele
So
Freunde.
I'm
Mal
going
schauen,
to
ob ich es
trust you to
schaffe.
handle this properly. That is, if you think you're ready.
Of course I'm ready. I got no other choice.
Yep. Leider. Oh man. Ah, und der Erfolg sind so eine schöne Geschichte. Once upon a time there was a wolf. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Still there, still there. Gang schnell rein. Schau's nicht lang an. Kick it. Alright. And in we go. Alright. Wir kommen nie mehr raus. Alright.
Tim, what the hell are you doing here?
Good evening, Sheriff. I'm here to take you to the boss. Thanks, by the way, for leaving off Tiny. I have to admit, when they asked me to watch the door, I wasn't sure what to expect when you came through that portal. I know you aren't here on a social call.
Hold on. You've just been waiting for me to show up? You knew I was coming?
Shit.
That's what they told me. I don't know, they said you made it pretty clear. I'm supposed to bring you right on in, so if you'll come this way. Look, this is the one thing I have to do. Please don't make this hard on me.
Okay.
Lead on.
Oh man. Wieso? Ach, ist ja klar, dass da etwas auf mich... Aber gerade so erwartet es mich. Das ist nicht gut, liebe Leute. Das ist nicht gut.
Thanks for understanding. This is all I'm here to do, and I don't want to mess it up. I know I'm probably the last person you'd expect to be a guard, or an escort for that matter.
Du bist ein Teil von
How can
dem.
you be working here? You know who this guy is, don't you?
He's not he's not as bad as you think. He doesn't treat me like some broken little kid. I think he gets what it's like. He gave me a job, and I'm lucky to have it. This is the only option I've got. Just keep that in mind, maybe? Because if
You
you
should
and the
leave
boss
now.
go up against each other, the rest of Fabletown is gonna get caught in the middle.
I can find the door myself. You should just get the hell out of here. Things are gonna get ugly in a minute.
Leave? I told you, I have to do this.
Hey, you've been warned. Stick around, and you're a part of this, just like anyone else.
A lot of us depend on him. Some of us never get to the front of the line at the business office. But he's there. We need you, but we need him too. What we don't need is a war. Hey, Sheriff, hold up. I gotta go in with you. Can't you just wait up, Sheriff? Hold on.
Ah, come on. Es ist so schwierig.
Thanks.
Er ist mein Mafia-Boss.
Some kind of a fucking joke. What did I tell you? Stop laughing at me. Oh, yeah?
Tell me who the fuck is back there.
Scared of you.
I don't exactly know. I just mind the door.
You needn't worry.
Boss is there.
He'll come around,
I know that much.
and like Crane before him, I'm sure he will prove himself quite handy to have in my pocket. Either he's smart enough to see this is for the best, or dim enough to do as he's
Habt ihr
told.
gesehen? Ich habe da Geld. Ich kann es will am Tod
I
geben.
say it'd be more useful killed, skinned, and made into a rug for me to wipe his shoes on. He's right. He was fine when Crane was smoothing things over, but this guy off his leash is a whole other barrel of crap that I don't want to deal with.
So that's it then. Let's slip the dogs of war.
Just
None of you
Bluebeard.
can see fit to stare him down. The best outcome you can picture is having him dead. I like to think a little bigger than that. You're not...
Whatever.
That won't be necessary. Sheriff Wolf, sir.
Alright, da sind alle. Und wer ist der Boss?
Thank you, Tim. I know the sheriff isn't
Okay.
the accommodating sort, but you handled it. You did well. You can go now.
Thank you, sir.
Also ich will kein Trouble, sonst bin ich sowas von am Arsch da.
You see, everyone in Fabletown has a role to fill. You just have to pay attention to what they need to help them find it. Why don't you have a seat, Sheriff? We have a great deal to discuss.
Oh God.
It's over. Dead or alive, you're coming with me.
I don't know, ob das die richtige Entscheidung war. Aber wir werden es sehen.
I've heard stories about you. In the old days, how you picked off those men one by one. Oh, how they screamed. The wolf is coming. And they would wait, hiding anywhere they could squeeze their pathetic, shivering corpses.
Er hat auch Angst.
Some would just drop to their knees where they stood, close their eyes, and wait for death.
Oh
And
wow.
you'd give it to them. I wish I could have seen it.
Snow.
Oh,
Sie hat etwas zu tun damit. Oh Gott, Leute. Okay. Viele Leute haben gewusst, dass das nicht eine gute Idee ist. Gut. Ja. Oh man. Oh man. Ich hätte nicht gedacht, dass die Fables so in Schutz nehmen, man. Der Krüppelteam auch. Wir werden es in Kapitel 5 herausfinden. Wir sehen uns dann wieder. Peace.